Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be teaching you how to make donuts. But first guys, before I get started, if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and do that. Also feel free to like this video, share this video, and turn on your post notification bell for more videos. Now I'll be measuring out my all-purpose flour, and for this video I'll be using 4 cups of flour. To this I'll be adding my salt, and then I'll go ahead and mix this. Next, I'm going to add sugar to this. Next, I'll be adding in my butter. Now, you can use butter or you can use vegetable oil for this. And then I'm going to add milk to this. Now I'm going to add yeast. I'm adding instant yeast to this. All measurements will be left in the description box, so if you need the measurements to all of these, then check the description box, you'll find it. I'm also going to add egg to this, and then I'll go ahead and mix properly. So now I'm going to add warm water to this. Now after kneading this for some time, I'm going to cover it and allow it for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, this is what I have. This, you can say that this has doubled in size, but this is not what it's going to look like before we fry. So just keep following the process. Now I'm going to knead this some more until it becomes very stretchy before I can start cutting it out. Please, if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and do that. Like this video, subscribe, and share this video. At this point, I'm going to roll this out and then I will start cutting. You don't roll it too thin because we don't want our donuts too thin. Okay, so you're going to roll it out, but allow it a little bit. Don't roll it too thin before we can cut out. Now to cut this, for an easy method, I'll be using my donut cutter. If you don't have a donut cutter but you still want to make this shape of donut, then you can let me know in the comment section so I can show you an alternative on how you can make a donut like this without a donut cutter. I'll teach you how to cut without a donut cutter. So I'll just go ahead and cut it this way. I'll make sure I cut all, but I'm not going to show you how I will do all of them, okay? But it's still the same process. Now, just to shorten everything and just not to allow this video stay for too long, I'm just going to do some of the things off the camera and then I'll show you when I am done cutting. Now after cutting, I have my donuts here. I have them in 2 trays. So what I'm going to do is to cover this up again. I'm going to wrap this with a nylon and allow it to rise a little bit. But this one now, I'm not going to allow it for so long. I'll just let it rise a little bit and then I will start frying. So to fry, you just need to get your oil in your pan and then heat it up and start frying. After frying, I have these lovely donuts that you're seeing here. Guys, that is how easy it is to make your donuts. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and like it and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video.